Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox point of sale system Bravo from ELCOM, winner of the prestigious competition If Design Award, is very flexible and ready to decorate any kind of shop. After opening the box, here we can find power charger cable, CD with manual and drivers and jumpers. After taking out all foam protection, POS Bravo looks really impressive and catches attention with stylish black and white design. Adjustable tilt angle means great flexibility for operator. Bravo fits well in almost every type of workplace with different heights of sales counters. POS Bravo is available in Windows and Android versions. 15.6-inch display is good readable, thanks to resistivity. Device can be controlled with any kind of tempered subject. We tried to draw something with pen, card and gloves and it works. You can work without worrying about scratching the display. Bravo has varied connectivity options. From the left is port for power charger, next to it is VGA port for customer display, 4 COM ports, Internet LAN port, several USB connectors, port for cash drawer and LPT port. On the side is one more useful port for USB. We can connect many external devices, for example cash drawer, the printer for billing, external keyboard, payment terminal, barcode scanner and more. Okay, so this was POS system Bravo. Thanks to possibility to choose between various software adjusted to specific needs, it is perfect choice for modern restaurant, pubs, shops and so on. You can buy one on ELCOM website. Thank you for watching. Let's meet soon in next unboxing videos.